In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to produce a free and easy form builder using Formly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Get Formly. From the search results, look for the official Get Formly website and open it. Once you land on the homepage, take a quick look around so you can get familiar with the layout and the main call to action buttons. Before we move on, if you want to try the platform for yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. That's the easiest way to find the right page and follow along with this tutorial. Now on the home page, look for a button that says something like Get Started, Sign Up, or anything similar. Click that button to begin creating your account. On the sign up page, enter the required information, such as your email address and password. Depending on what options are available, you may also see alternative sign up methods, so it's helpful to point those out if you prefer a faster registration process. Once your details are entered, complete the sign up process and continue. If Formly asks you to verify your account, open your email inbox and look for the verification email from the platform. Open that message and click the verification button, or follow whatever instructions are provided in the email. This step is important because it activates your account and ensures you can access all the available features without any issues. After verification is complete, return to the Get Formly website. From there, enter your login credentials and click the Login button. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. This is where you'll manage your account and begin working with forms. Take a moment to notice the main navigation areas and sections on the screen, since these are the places you'll use most often as a new user. Next, find the area where you can begin creating or managing forms. This is the point where a new user usually takes their first action after signing up. Keep it simple and focus on the basic starting point, whether that means opening the form builder, creating a new form, or accessing the main workspace. The goal here is just to show where everything begins so the platform feels easy to use right away. And that's it. You now know how to sign up for Get Formly, verify your account, log in, access the dashboard, and get ready to start building forms. If you want to try it yourself, remember that you can use the affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.